This is a cool car. Let's try him. Yeah. Oh! What do we have here, Lorenzo? We have... Whoa! Yeah, what you're gonna try to do is you're gonna try to make them go down that ramp over there. You're gonna see if they can ramp into it. So we got another one like this. Look, get them gas. I'm gonna show them all the cars. Look at all the cars. Quite a few. And Fillmore's gonna go. Let's see. Fillmore, he didn't have enough to knock it down. Ooh, fabulous Lightning McQueen. I like it. Ooh, Lizzie, good pick. Yep, let's see if Lizzie lands up. Let's see if she has enough to knock it over. Lizzie didn't have enough to knock it over. No. Ooh, I like that guy. He's a racer, number 54. Let's see if 54 has got enough. Ooh. He got stuck on the ramp. Ooh, Tomater. He's got cones for his teeth and cones for his hat. He's a heavy one. He might knock it over. Let's see. Do you think he'll land up? Yeah. Do you think he'll have enough to knock it over? Let's see. Oh, Mater got stuck too. Ooh, I like that one. Here he comes. Getting Chick some gas. More gas? No more gas. Let's see. Oh! Did you see that? Yeah. Chick banged into Tomater, and Tomater, he almost knocked this one over. Is that Ramon? Let's see. Ooh, I like that one. He's a cool racer. He's a cool car. Let's see what he can do. Yep, get him some gas. Nice. He's orange and blue. Yep. Nope. Go down the blue one. Oh, you want to do cow? Nice. He landed right there next to Ramon. Yeah, look, he's talking. Chick is talking on his microphone. Look at that. Let's see if he's got enough. The last Chick did really good. Is that Mario Andretti? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see if he can knock him down. Get me up. Okay, you're going up? Yeah. Okay. Ooh! That was close, Lorenzo. Let's try King. Yeah. I think we have another King. Yep, here he is. Let's try the other King since King did good. Woo! Wow! Let's try Tomater. He's another heavy one. Daddy. Tokyo Tomater. Double. Yep. Let's see if he can knock that down. Oh! What about this next gen racer? Let's try him. Ooh! So close. Look, he moved this red block. You see that red block? He moved it. Who should be next, Lorenzo? Doc. Doc? Okay, here we go. Doc. Yeah, Doc is gonna go down there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Doc knocked Cal. Oh. Ooh, look at this. We got 2 of these guys. This is a cool car. Let's try him. Yeah. Yep. Let's see. Oh. Here, try this one. Let's see if his other guy goes. Ooh! Oh! Yup. He knocked Doc. Dinoco Lightning McQueen? Let's see. Yep. Let's try Finn McMissile. I think he might have a good chance to knock that down. Put him down the blue one. He didn't make it all the way down, but we have another Finn McMissile. I think he has a good chance to knock that block over. What about this? Look at this blue tomater. Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm. You don't like Jackson Storm?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's see what he does. Who's this? Him. Let's see what Ham does. Ooh, Ham didn't make it. Let's try this guy. Corvette. Ooh, now we got a traffic jam on the ramp. Should we move the cars out of the way?
Yeah.
Should we move them out of the way? Let's see. We'll move these guys. We'll move these guys out of the way since they didn't make it down and now they're just blocking the ramp. Flow?
No.
No flow?
No.
What about Cruising Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Let's see. Sheriff.
No, Kaka.
Sheriff's a heavy guy. He might knock it down. Let's try Nitrate. Try him from the top. It's leaning, Lorenzo. So if you, because Sheriff knocked it over a little bit, if you hit one more car into that, it might go down. I know just the guy for it. Snot Rod.
Okay.
He'll knock it over.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't make it. Here, try other Snot Rod. Oh.
No.
Francesco? Who's this? Mato. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. This is gonna be the car to do it, Lorenzo. Demolition Derby.
Derby.
He's from the Derby.
Derby.
Yep.
Derby.
Here, try Sarge. Try Smokey.
No up.
No up.
No up.
Just not enough force. Oh, you gonna try Snot Rod again? Let's see. Traffic jam over here. I'm gonna move some of them out of the way so we have a good chance, a fair chance here. We'll move a couple out of the way. Who is next? Cop car? All right, let's see him go. Wow. So close, Lorenzo. That was close. There goes Ramon. Oh, so close. Tokyo Lightning McQueen. Ramon. Sally. Here goes Sally. Oh. Let's see Doc. Fabulous Doc. Who's going to be the one to knock it over? Cruz Ramirez. Here we go. Cruz Ramirez. Here she goes. Oh, Cruz Ramirez. She knocked it over. Here she goes. Oh, Cruz Ramirez! She did it! Cruz Ramirez is the one to bring it all down. Wow. Here she goes. Oh, Cruz Ramirez! She knocked it over. Ramon. Oh, Ramon! Nice. Lightning McQueen. Here he comes. Upside down. Oh. Aston Martin did it.